All right. Give me a second here. Uh-oh. What's going on? Facebook? No. We're not doing that. Not right now. Ooh, look at that. That's crazy. Give me a second. I know I just started streaming, but I started streaming right after I ended my Hunt Showdown / Borderlands 3 stream on Twitch, so I haven't stood up yet. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quick, and I'll be right back. And then we're gonna hack the planet. All right. What was the last thing I was working on? Well, pretty sure it had to do with Charlotte. Yeah. So something strange is happening. I'm trying to use Charlotte to return a value, right? I have this new JavaScript file, check lazy load.js. And right now I'm just trying to return anything, an object. But, and it works almost basically the exact same way that my extract DOM works, right? So it's going to return an object, and the way I execute it is the same way that I would execute the this is the extract DOM code, and this is the check lazy load code. So it's like the same code. I evaluate the script. I know that the JavaScript is loading and being evaluated. It's not getting past this line. It's like it's not getting past that line. Like, it just sits there, stagnant. There is no result, even though I'm executing this function here, which executes this window function, which points to this function. You know, I should probably just I don't know. Let's try a test, okay? Let's just get rid of our what do you call it? Anonymous function or enclosed function. I don't know what they call it. And let's just create a check lazy load function right out in the open and execute it and see what happens. Let's see if oh, it's running. Okay, that's good. It's running. Now, let's go to our newest Discovery magazine page. Which one was it? I think it had to do with something. Anyway, let's click on that. Okay. That looks good. No, we were looking at a different page that had many more photos on it. So let's find that one. I think it had to do with... I don't remember. We'll find it though. I thought it was... like... what? Yeah, the secret origins of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. I'm gonna just type in secret. Hold on. The secret origins. Origin? Origin. I'm just gonna type in origin. The secret origins. I'm just gonna... yeah, this is the one we've been working on. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna add the article. View the analyzer. Downloading. Okay, yeah. Nothing's happening. It's not returning test. It's not doing anything. Watch. I'm gonna press play. this is what I was dealing with before I left to go play some video games with my buddy Tall Can Dan. Here we go. Let's analyze. What is it gonna do? Oh, there we go. Look at our script. Here's our script. Looks exactly how we left it. Right? We're gonna check lazy load. We're gonna execute this function, and we're immediately just gonna return an object test with the value test. Okay. Now watch. Task.wait. Nothing. Now watch this. I'll just reload and put a breakpoint after we get the result. It'll still be the same. Nothing will happen. Watch. 10 seconds will go by, and then, unless I set it to 100 seconds, I think I might have on for debugging purposes. Where is it? It's down here somewhere. There it is. Yeah, it's set to 100. Let's make it 10. Now, watch this. If I just take this and do a little bit of that, press save, reload, watch what'll happen. Okay, oh, look at that. We got a result right away. It was like instant. And what is our result? Well, it's a null. What? Result. Okay, let's find out. And there it is. Beautifully executed. But we had to, we had to comment out this other code. But look, it has 1,600 words. It looks like this. It has one photo. The other photo disappeared because, you know why? Because it wasn't detected because I wasn't able to run this code. Now, if I just copy this code here, just paste it there, watch what'll happen. Let's refresh. Delete this cached file and analyze. Oh, I'm gonna turn off that breakpoint. Turn off that breakpoint. And there it is, our page. We only have one image still. Don't know why it's not going to load the other images. Let's change our lazy load code here to, instead of 10, let's do like 100 milliseconds for scrolling down. It's actually going to be like boop, 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 or like, but 10 milliseconds is way too fast. Hopefully this will do better. And in fact, let's make this 250 pixels. Yeah, so we're going to move down 250 pixels until we reach the bottom. We got to reload to copy over the JavaScript changes. Let's delete our page again, the cached file. Reload and analyze. We should get some more photos, I hope. One image. That's all they gave us. Look at that, just one image. Alright, how about this? Let's make it 100 pixels every 100 milliseconds will go down. Actually, every 200 milliseconds will go down. Let's see if that changes anything. Let's delete our cached file again. Analyze. And 2 images. Look at that. 2 images. Now we have 2 images. Yep. Let's do... let's do 100. And let's set this up to like 20 seconds. Oops, not 20 seconds there. We're gonna change the sleep to 5 seconds. And see if we can get better results. Oh, I forgot we gotta delete the cache file first. Now it only did 1 image. Weird. How about this? Let's do 500 milliseconds, but we'll do 1,000 pixels each move. So now let's delete our cached file, reload, and analyze. 2, 3. Only 1 image. Why? Why is it so hard? Fine, let's do 250 pixels. And let's do 300 milliseconds. 333 milliseconds. See if that changes anything. Then we have to delete the page again. So, I don't know if I've mentioned it yet, but this is the lazy loading code. So we're trying to get these images to lazy load into the page in Charlotte. I'm just using collector to start the download process. Okay, we got 2 images again this time. Oh, a totally different image. Weird. Alright. Well, we're only doing 250 pixels, so let's do, I don't know, 50 pixels? Jeez. No, let's do 100 pixels. So we can do 300 pixels per second. And you know what? We'll even stretch this out to 7 seconds. See what happens. Let's delete the page again. Refresh and analyze. This will take 7 seconds. What? Only 1 image. Oh. A totally different image. So it's still only loading the top image and then 1 other image. Don't know why it's not loading this image. It's scrolling past it and getting over here, so I don't know. I just don't know. How about this? Let's do this. Plus 10 every 10 milliseconds. Yeah. Let's see if that changes anything. will move 10 pixels every 10 milliseconds. Let's delete the file and click the button. Still only one image. Man, that's so weird. I don't understand how these lazy loading... Maybe I have to trigger a scroll? Let me see. Window. No, JavaScript. Trigger on scroll. Oh. Let's do that. Let's try that. Let's try a new function here. Function mouse to bottom. Mouse wheel to bottom. Let's type in bottom there. And we'll just do that. Set timeout. Yeah, we'll just execute that. Honestly, I don't care. We'll just execute this every, I don't know, 500 milliseconds. We're going to move down. We're going to scroll our wheel one turn, boop, like that, boop, boop. Once every half a second, so dun, 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 dun. Actually, let's do it like every 250 milliseconds. All right. Bam. That'll just keep scrolling until forever. Anyway, well, until we close the page. All right, let's see if that works. There's my article. What article is that? Don't care. Let's see. Let's delete the cached file. And analyze. Show me more images, baby. More images. One image. Why is it always just one image? Also, let's see what happens if I execute that code here. Oops. Like if I... Oh, el.dispatch event. What is el? Let's just do document.body. Let's see what happens if we do that on this page. It's not doing anything. That's weird. That's really weird. What? I'll try that. I'll trigger mouse events. So the way this works is I do a window.scroll_to, and then I do a document.body.dispatch event. Or maybe I can do like window. There. Maybe that'll help. Don't know. Let's find out. Please work. Let's just look at our code real quick. Oh, we forgot a colon. Oh, 4 images. 4 images have already been cached on the server. Did I do it? Oh, I did it. I got all of them. Yes. Yes, I got all of them. I had to dispatch the scroll event. All right, let's see if we can do this while skipping, because I don't want to like hurt my computer. So let's do 100 milliseconds and 100 pixels. All right, so let's get rid of this nonsensical code that we don't need. And let's reload, delete the cached file, and analyze. Six images, and there it is. So, okay. Do we need to wait that long? Let's do 3. Let's see if it only takes 3 seconds. Four images. Yep, it didn't get to the other ones. So maybe like 5 seconds. And let's do like, fuck it, let's just do every 10 milliseconds we'll scroll 100 pixels. Go as fast as we can. And of course set this back to 3-second pause. Reload. Let's delete our file. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Done. It took 5 seconds, but oh, we got all six images. Look at that. So now we're successfully forcing lazy loading of images so that it injects the source attribute. Actually, what it's doing is these are just divs with lazy load wrapper CSS class names, and Discovery Magazine, they're literally injecting image DOM elements directly onto the DOM with a source. So if I don't lazy load, then there won't be any image tags. There will just be these divs, these div placeholders. But since I'm forcing the lazy load, the JavaScript is injecting these image elements, and I'm able to pick them up and collect the URLs. That is awesome. But the issue is I can't get this code to work yet. This code here will check the page to see if there's any sign of lazy loading images. Like if there are images without a source or source set attribute, or if there are CSS class names on any element that has the word lazy in it. It could be any element with the word lazy. And what I want is this code to work so I can inject, I want to be able to inject my JavaScript, right? This JavaScript here, I want to inject that JavaScript file, evaluate the script, and then that script will see if any one of my class names contains the word lazy, and it'll also check my image tags, and if they, if they exist, it'll return lazy is true, or it'll return lazy false, or it'll return an error, but either way, it'll return an object. And the problem is, it's not doing that. It's not even returning this. This is my little test here to see if it'll return test. Look, this is how extract DOM works, okay? I have a function here that gets executed. That function is mapped here. It's just a reference to get DOM. And then get DOM returns an object. It's really that simple. There's nothing different the way that it works besides the fact that it's inside of an anonymous function. Most of it is, but then my execution is not. In this file, there is no anonymous function, but the execution is the same. I just execute a function and it returns an object. Here, 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 here. It'll, no matter what, it will return an object. No matter what. And it doesn't. It just, like, this code just does not work. I'm trying to figure out if there's something I'm missing between these two groups of code, right? My lazy task and my extract DOM task. This is the function that actually executes the JavaScript asynchronously, but then I force it to wait for a response. Let's just put it back in an anonymous function. See what I did there? This is exactly how it works in the other file. Let's see if we can get this to work now. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, it's doing the thing that it should. Oh, okay. Here we go. It's only 8:30. Let's reload. And let's delete this file yet again. So we're able to download all 6 images successfully. Now we just need to make sure that we can check to see if there is some kind of laziness going on. All right, ready? Nothing. It's not going to return anything, and I don't understand why. I mean, there's no bugs. Here, what if I just do that? I'll just get rid of everything and just return a test. Okay, let's just return a test. See what happens when we return a test. Okay, ready? Nothing. It's not going to do anything. That's so weird because it works for that, for the extract DOM, but it won't work for that. Like, what? I don't understand. It works for extract DOM just fine. Wait. Let me just reload the entire thing one more time. Just double check. Ready? Nothing. It should be instant. I mean, watch this. If I just get rid of all this here, and then I evaluate this script instead, watch what happens. Ready? Instantly, almost. Look at my result. Ready? Look at my HTML. Look at that. Comes back just fine. Just fine. Comes back just fine. So I don't know what's going on here. It's not like there's something different going on. It's basically the same type of code. Am I doing anything? Let me just double check. Is it returning too fast or something? Here, let's do this. Watch. Var I equals 0 while I is less than 10,000. Let's do like 100,000. Okay. Now let's see what happens. Maybe I'm returning a result too fast and the web browser just can't keep up with it. Alright, let's see here. Uh-oh. It's yep, gave me an error. Let's just, let's get rid of that. Let's think a little differently here, okay? So, let's see if there's anything I can add to this. A timeout. Use immediately invoked function expression. Okay. Timeout, null. And then what's the last one? When true, the script is wrapped in a self-executing function. Make sure to use a return statement in your JavaScript. Oh. Hold on. I think I see what's going on here. Let's just do let's undo all that so we don't like lose our code. There we go. And we're going to return none of that. There. We're going to return our test. I wouldn't be surprised if that actually works. Nothing. Fucking nothing. How about this? What if I just return that? Just return a test. See what happens. Nothing. Just nothing. Alright, how about this? We're gonna set this to be null and true. Save that shit. See if that helps. Timed out. What the hell, dude? Like, I don't understand this. Look, if I just hide that, right? And I reload it, then guess what? Everything's fine. Watch. Never mind. There. How's that? Huh. What is this nonsense? Okay. What's it? Cannot read properties of undefined node type. Node type. Oh. I didn't... Hold on. There. Okay. Now watch. Watch as there's no bugs whatsoever at all. It's just gonna work. No? Do I have to like, hold on. Do I have to like do that? Yeah, there you go. Alright, so that works. Now let's do our check lazy load. We're just gonna delete all that nonsense. And no, we're just gonna leave that. But we are gonna do this. Let's reload the page, delete our cached HTML, and analyze. Show me the money, honey. Ready? Now watch this. Look at our lazy JS. Look at this. Looks just fine to me, doesn't it? No. Okay, ready? Nothing. It's not going to give us anything. It's just going to sit there forever and not do anything. I don't understand the difference between these two files. Like, there's no reason why this should happen at all. At all. We don't need a callback. There's no reason. There's no reason why this shouldn't work. Unless while I is less than 10,000. Oh, that's why. My while didn't have a I++. Now it does. Now let's see if this will actually work. We put a little delay before our returning. Hopefully that'll help. Okay, ready? Come on, baby, give me a result. Give me a result. No result? Fucking bullshit, dude. Like, really? No result at all? Nothing? What if I just do this? If I just return test, check dash lazy load. Alright, let's reload. Reload. Click the button. Okay, ready for our lazy.js? It looks like that. That's all it is. Let's evaluate that script. Ready? Nothing. It won't give me anything. At all. What is going on? Like, seriously, dude. Look. See this? This is returning get DOM. Now watch this. All I have to do is comment out this bullshit code for lazy loading and watch. It'll just work. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Look, it worked. 1,600 words it found. Works just fine. It's the same fucking code, just a different file name. Just a different file name. There's nothing different about this. Like, why is this such a pain in the ass? I don't understand. It's evaluating JavaScript. There's absolutely no reason why this should fail at all. I mean, look at the code. All it's doing is returning... Let's return something. A string. Okay? Let's return a string. See what happens if we return a string. Actually, though, I think we can only return objects. Like, we have to return an object. Let me just double check here. Yeah, we're returning an object. No big deal. Let's see if it'll work. Probably won't. No, of course it won't work. Let's see here. What are the rules? Let me just read the rules for this. Self-executing a self-executing function. Well, if only this dude's website worked. I mean, come on. I don't care if it's not secure. Let me go to his website. I just don't care. Let me go to his website. Jesus. Are you gonna let me go to... Oh my god. Allow. Let me go. Come on. Show me... No, there's nothing. There's nothing. Wow. Whatever, dude. Your website sucks. Why are all these pages empty? What is going on? What is all these websites, what? They're all empty? What the hell? Really? Okay, whatever. Sure, I'm supposed to believe that they're all empty? Okay. Whatever, dude. Let's find out. What? What the hell is broken? What the hell is happening? I have the internet. Where's my F12? I'm not allowed to F12? Do I have to reset my computer or something? Okay, there's my web page. How about if I go here? What? And I don't have F12? Let's go back. What? Okay, I'm restarting my computer then. I mean, what else can I do? Do you see that? Chrome won't even load. It's crazy, dude. Fucking crazy. Hello, hello. And I'm back. Let's just hope that it works this time. Right, so what are we trying to do? Oh, I hope it didn't, it lost all my code. But, let's see if... Nope, there's no... Yeah, see, I haven't even added it yet, so... That's fine. I can rewrite that code to check for the lazy load. It's pretty simple. Unless I can undo it or something. I wish there was like a history of like, it remembered everything I typed. Some kind of log that Microsoft keeps track of. Okay, so what am I trying to do again? Yeah, I'm trying to get check lazy load to just do something, to return a result. Oh, it's already running, so we gotta go in and precision kill. What? There it is. Kill it. Now we can start it. And we also need to start collector. Collector will trigger a thing. Actually, you know what? I think I have a test here. No, I don't have any tests. Maybe I did at one point. But we're gonna just use Saber here. And let's see here. There it is. Here we go. It just won't. It refuses. Like, it's like, no, I don't. No. You can't make me evaluate scripts. I'm lazy. That's how I feel about this code. Like, it works down here. Why does it work down there? It's the same freaking code. It does the exact same thing. It returns a JSON object. So what am I doing wrong? Am I doing anything wrong? I don't think so. It's the same code, just different files. What do you think would happen if I just copied all this code into my check lazy load? What do you think would happen? Watch. And then reload the app. What do you think would happen, huh? What do you think will happen? It's not gonna work. It won't. It'll refuse to. Watch. It'll refuse to work. Ready? See? It just doesn't want to work. It just refuses to work. Refuses to work. So it's not the JavaScript, okay? It's not the JavaScript. It's the exact same code as extract DOM. Exact same code. So what am I doing different then? Do I need a try catch? Okay, I'll just add a try catch here. See what happens. Maybe that's it. Maybe I'm having an error with that code and so nothing's happening. Don't care. Actually, yes, I do care. Alright, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, boom. There it is, and F10. See? Doesn't care. It's not getting past this. And I just don't know why. Is it the name of the file? Do you just... That has nothing to do with it. I get the JavaScript and then I execute it. Do I need like... Oh, there's no line afterwards, so let's do that. Maybe that makes all the difference. Don't know. I can imagine what it's gonna be like trying to get this working on Docker. Jesus. Alright, here we go. Oh look, it does nothing. Why does this code work, but this code doesn't work? And you know what's even weirder? This code actually works. Frame load end. Huh. This is so weird. Here, I'll name it the same too. Does that make a difference? Probably not. Yeah, see? Nothing, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. How about if I just do T? You think it's because I was using the word test? That would piss me off if that if that was the reason why this isn't working, because there was an object called test, or a property called test. This looks completely valid. This right here looks completely valid. So why doesn't it work? Why? Why wouldn't it work? Just because? Just because, I guess. There's literally no reason why this should not work. Look at this. This is all I have for my code. Return T something. Should it be in double quotes? It's JavaScript. Like, who cares? And I press F10 and we don't know where it went. It just disappeared. It's probably this line right here that it ends at. What if I just do like a try here and then a catch? Alright, we put it in a try catch. We're going to break on the line that I think is breaking. But it's probably not going to do anything. It's just going to do nothing. Right? This line right here. When I press F10, it'll just go about its business. Okay, when I press F10, when we need to wait now, it'll go about its business. Ready? It'll just wait. It'll just fucking wait forever. Now it's just waiting. How about this? How about we don't wait? How about you give me the result? Which just doesn't wait. So let's try that. Ready, steady, go. Nope. Can't get the result. Just can't. Now it's not even waiting, it's just trying to get result. You see my dilemma here? This code is like the same, but this code works, right? We're returning getDom. We return a JSON object here. We do some walking up the DOM. We clean our stuff, whatever this is, probably just text. We clean our text, and then we return an object. So this one returns an object. It's just straightforward. It's just a little test JavaScript. This true here, this means that it wraps our script in what do they call it? An anonymous function. And, nothing happens. It just doesn't care. It doesn't care what I'm trying to do. Like, it doesn't care what the JavaScript is. It works here for whatever reason, but not there. And it's almost the exact same code. Almost the exact same. Watch this. Watch. If I put this up here, okay, I'm going to call it task 2. Oh, that could be the reason. Oh my god. Don't tell me that's the reason. Let's find out. Oh, and this code here, I'm gonna have to delete. Let's find it. You ready? And there it is. $1,600 words. All right, so I'll tell you what happened. It's so stupid. I had a little itty bitty line of code. So when I create a new task and run it, it's probably going to execute this line next before it runs this first line of code here. Or they're going to be running in parallel because this is on a different thread. So that one line of code just wasted like 2 hours of my life. Oops. All right, so check, and I lost my code. So function check lazy load. Oh, come on. Every single element, please. I need to move my mic. I forgot this needs to be in an array. All right, and then, oh yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. See how easy it is to write that code? No big deal. And I'm almost done with it, so I think I'm just gonna return true there and return false there. And we know that this document does have some lazy loading on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see what happens. Ready? Oh no. I thought I deleted that. Whatever. I thought for sure I deleted that. What is result? Result is empty. Alright, hold on. Let's return lazy true. And then here, lazy false. Hold on 1 second. Here we go again. I'm gonna try to. Okay, yeah. Object is nothing. It's literally nothing. Hold on. Oh, it doesn't actually execute it. No wonder why. There. I just want to return true or false. That's all I want to return, true or false. Let's see if we can do a Boolean. And then see if this works. Ah, it says true. So has lazy is true. Result is also true. Ooh, there it is. Don't need that. Thank you. Oh, you know what? No wonder why. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I don't need that task there. We need to actually like run this synchronously. So I'm not going to put that in another thread. Hopefully, what? Oh. Yeah. There you go. I'm supposed to be trying to get collector working on a Docker container. It does work on a Docker container, but I need to get Charlotte working on a Docker container as well. What? What's going on? Hold on. It's not doing the thing. Oh no. So it has to be in a task. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do then. There. Happy? That'll work. There. I don't need any of this nonsense anymore. I think this will actually work. So I'm creating a thread inside of a thread. But at least, where is it? This is synchronous inside of the thread, but it works. So let's see what happens. I'm pretty confident this will work. And now, there you go. And it has all 6 images. You see that? It scrolled all the way to the bottom of the page and forced all these images to load. Awesome, dude. I finally figured out. It took like 2 days to figure out lazy loading. Well, let's say 24 hours. Probably a total of 6 man hours, which is a long time. Alright, so that works. See how this sets persist session cookies to 0, which means every page request I'm a brand new user. And I think I'm gonna have a configuration in my router, because I have a router web application I'm building. This is going to route my request to available instances of Charlotte. And I think I'll have two different kinds of instances of Charlotte. I'll have one type that will remember cookies and sessions so that I can log into websites and collect, member only, paywall type content. And then the other type of instance of Charlotte will have no cookies and no sessions, and we'll just get all the content, every bit of content. And depending on what domain I'm trying to query, if the domain has user account information, so on and so forth, then I think Charlotte should figure out how to log in to an account for a website. That is going to be complicated. I might have to send macros to Charlotte to be like, hey, look, log into this page and then access. So I'd have to create a new command in Charlotte, right? I have this collect command method here, but I think I'm going to have a login method as well that has like a JSON object that I pass to the method that contains a list of macros that basically, it'll basically use JavaScript, I think, to click on specific areas and type in specific fields and click specific buttons to force specific actions to happen automatically. So I'll need to create a system inside a collector that allows me to define how somebody logs in to a third-party website. Yeah. I think it's amazing that I'm able to inject JavaScript onto any web page that I want, because it's just a web browser. You can do anything with it. It's a web browser, bro. If you have the master keys, you don't even need a web browser. You can build your own from scratch. You just parse HTML, get a JavaScript engine, and execute JavaScript against the engine, and do some things. It sounds really complicated, but whatever. Hold on, I forgot one page that I need open. And it is that page that must be opened. It just shows stats about my stream. I've been streaming for an hour and 40 minutes. Okay. And it's 9:30 p.m. on a Sunday. It's already Sunday night. Jeez, man. It goes by so fast. Anyway, let's see here. So, we're collecting. Yeah. I'm just putting it there to remind myself. Okay, now that I know why everything works, I have to basically have a hierarchy of threads to get it to work. Right? Under collect here, it's a thread and then a thread inside of it. And I'll have to move this inside of another thread if I want to do something else before I extract the DOM. Like lazy loading is just one thing. Do you think 3 seconds is enough? How about 2 seconds? You think that'll be enough? Let's find out. Six images. It got all of them. That's amazing, dude. Lazy loading built into Charlotte. Alright, let's check that in. Is there anything else we need to get rid of though? Like console.log? No? Well, you can't really console log in there. Anything in here? It's doesn't look like it. Alright, let's just yeah. Ooh. All right. Okay, what's different about this? Is it because I have all these things here? I don't even have everything. Magazine. Oh wait, no, I do. Magazine's right there. And in fact, no, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it like this. Actually, no, I'm going to make it alphabetic. Unused will be up there, but then A, B, here's an E, here's an M, and an S, another S, advertiser. Search engine, portfolio, LMNOPQRS, news, travel, government, ebook, crypto, law, medical, political, software development, photo gallery, let's see, music, Maps. Mobile apps. Erotic. Conspiracy. Comics. Religion. Weather. Gore. Videos and video games, real estate, .3D animation, live streaming, history, guns and weapons. Okay, everything's in alphabetic order. Hooray. I'll probably regret it. We don't care about this anymore. What we're focusing on now is getting our downloads to work. So let's see if that's even working right now. Oh, 29 feeds. It's looking through. That's going to take a little while. It really looks like it's actually downloading. Yeah, it's getting links from these feeds. I had to build my own feed reader from scratch. Check it out. Where is it? Oh, it's not there. It's going to be under vendors, collector, common, feeds. No? Hold on. Let's find our feed reader. Hold on. Check feeds. Syndication. Where's my syndication? It's under utility. Where is this? Oh, it's under utility right there. There's my DOM. I built this. This lets me parse the DOM. It allows me to generate a DOM from a parser. See, I just give it HTML and it gives me a DOM. Right? Then syndication. Oh, come on. Is it going to load? Yeah, this is another class that I built from scratch. I'm just, I'm using my DOM parser because it's going to be in either XML or HTML. And my DOM parser reads XML/HTML content. And so I'm just looking for channels, the title, description, link, language, copyright, image, channel, image, title, URL. This is from messing around with like 5-10 different RSS feeds. So look, there's channel copyright. Get channel copyright. Okay, whatever. It's changing feed URL. Why is it doing that? That's not right. Get channel feed URL. Okay. Item. If there's an item, then it'll find title, link, atom/link, description, publish date. It's really straightforward. And there's kind of like a W3C, right? W3C RSS specification, RSS 2.0, right? There's a spec for it. Let's see, pub date has a capital D. There's a copyright. There's all these things that are here that I can access. But some RSS feeds are a little unique, so that's what this does. This gets every permutation of your typical RSS feed. It's free open source. You guys can find it online and download it and use it in your own projects. But guess what? I built it, so it's mine. It's just free. Free for anyone to use and modify and claim it as their own. But of course, you can't sue me, because that would be stupid. You wouldn't want to do that. Anyway, what are we doing? Okay, no more the download hub, no more nodes. Don't check for downloads. Article hub, sure. Why? What are we doing now? What are we even doing right now? Look at this. We've downloaded 25 new articles, and Universe Today. We can actually do a thing by clicking this. Universe Today. Are we using any? Ooh. Why? Okay. Yes. 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 What is going on here? What? That's really weird. Let's view this in the analyzer. I don't like that. Why did it do that to me? Why does it work here but not there? Let's go to article only. Okay, now it works. We don't have any analyzer rules or download rules. Well, you know what? Let's check out your articles. Ooh, we don't want JPEGs, so that's gonna be a no-no. Wow, 375 downloads. Anything else? Page. Okay, so /page. We'll just collect links. Pretty sure that's what it is. Yeah. There we go. Let's clean that up. Okay, that'll be gone. Ooh, the planet Saturn. I mean, this extracts all the content pretty well. Wow, this is really in depth. I don't have any download rules either. Yeah, see, like, I need to get rid of this stuff and this other stuff. So let's clean this up. This is a legitimate website. And man, what I want is I want like a checkbox here. Ooh, what is this? Universe. Space. We need space. We need a freaking space. Space. I mean, space is... No. Okay, fine. There's our model. And space would go right here. What is space? 39. There. Yeah. This is a space website. It includes free content. Please go to this website and read the content. Look at this. Look at that. The planet Saturn. Go ad free. Go ad free. How about no? We're going to view this in the analyzer and we're going to clean this up a little bit. You're going to see my process. So we don't need site branding text. Right? We'll start there. So definitely hide that. What else do we not need? Go ad free. Ooh. Oh no. How about... Yeah, right here. Search form. Parent 2. So there we go. Let's see how that changes the page. There we go, look at that. We got a clean header. The planet Saturn. Now let's look at our code here. Yep, look at that. Excluded analyzer rule. Dot site branding text. Yep. Look at that. It's getting rid of all this because it found a search form. So there's no more go ad free. Here's our article. Is there no title anywhere? There's the logo. Okay. Oh, we need to definitely get rid of that. Let's just double check it. Yeah, that's gonna get rid of all that nonsense. Ooh. I hope. Or how about this? Ooh, advertiser link. Yeah, let's get rid of that instead. So let's just delete that. Create a new rule. All right. Okay, we have a figure with an image. Saturn's composition. Saturn's atmosphere. This is a lot of text. Very clean, very clean. Everything looks like content here. This is a lot of content. Oh, man. Wow, it's a lot of content. This is crazy. All right. Now, see this? We can get rid of this. And all siblings below it. So I think the way we do that is, oh, what was this in? This is in a P, a paragraph. So let's get P where the text begins with that, and then all siblings. Now, this squiggly line here, we can double check it. If it's squiggly, it gets the next sibling. So it's everything below it is going to be wiped out. All right, now let's see if all these interesting facts and that remove all ads thing should go away too. Wow, there's a lot of stuff. Lots of, wow, this is beautiful content. Beautiful, beautiful content. And then, yeah, all this stuff needs to go away at the bottom. All right? No more advertisement. Beautiful content. Clean, very clean. Very clean. And the bottom looks super clean. Oh, wait, what is that? Let's find it. That's strange. Let's see what we got here. All right, so what are the parts? What's the next part? What is that? It's a squiggly. What's part 2? It's a squiggly and a star. What is our selector? Universe Today has articles on. All right, let's see if there are any elements What? Oh, I get it. So there's, okay. So there is an element in there. Yeah, it's not null, so we're gonna add. So it's definitely finding all the siblings. It's just, I guess it's just working. Let's try that again without any, yeah, okay. Now, nope. Oh, I see. Alright, so we need to add another one. This one will just be the P. That's the thing I keep forgetting to do, is if I'm going to delete all of its siblings, I also have to delete it. So there. And when I reanalyze, let's see what the bottom of this page looks like now. Ooh, bloggers like this. Percentage of bloggers that like this. All right, let's see what we got here. What does this say? Yeah, share and sharing. And Share all the sharing. Okay, where's the stuff? Ah, there it is. Okay, likes text? No, we don't want that. So we're going to just hide that. Anything else? SD like gravatars? Hold on. We can actually do likes text with a squiggly and a star. There we go. And then errors, form. We should probably ignore all forms, right? Well, actually, like, Microsoft Web Forms applications has a freaking form tag right at the body, like right at the beginning of the body of the HTML page. It's really stupid. Whoever invented web forms, shame on you. It was a dumb idea. Whatever you guys were thinking was half baked, okay? Poorly executed. But we're just gonna, we're gonna hide any errors. Okay, anything else? Fancy box. Okay, that looks all right. So let's just refresh this page and look at our article, and it should be done. And see, the beauty about this is now, hopefully, every article on this website will look beautimous, right? So if I click on that again and it renders beautifully. Ooh, look at that. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change in 2022. Look at these key findings. Indigenous peoples. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Urban impacts. This website has some seriously beautiful content. Wow. And look at that. Now, here's something that needs to go away too. What is this? It's a loading.gif. Okay. Let's find it. This should be somewhere like towards the bottom, the very, 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 very bottom. Hold on. It should be an image. There should be an image somewhere. Ah, class loading. Beautiful. Beautiful. Super easy. All right. And now let's just article only. Let's view the article only, and then we scroll to the very bottom, and it looks super clean. Further reading. Look at that. It's so clean. All right, next article by the same people. What is Einstein's theory of relativity? Oh, look at that. Are you kidding me? Collector is amazing. Look at this. Look at all this content that I have. This is my content. It's on my hard drive. Like, the internet can go down forever, but I would have this page for as long as I protect my data. Betelgeuse and Antares have been observed for over 2,000 years. Yeah, look at that. That's really cool. Alright, so I just came up with an idea that I'm going to start implementing. It has to do with the domain. So it'll be on the model here. We have these checkboxes, right? And this one will be for just downloading articles, like cleared for downloading articles, which basically means in the download page I will also download the images for the article. So if this domain here, where are my domains? Here. Yeah, so if there, I'm going to add a new checkbox. When checked, it'll probably say something like download full articles. That's what I'll call it. Download articles. Okay. Download full articles. Download full articles when for queued downloads. I think that'll be good enough. Let's see what that looks like. That's a little weird that there's this giant gap down there, but whatever. Ooh, and then it goes away. Okay, whatever. So download full articles for queued downloads. So when I check this box, that means when I'm downloading, it's going to download all the images for the articles. Will download all article images. And any other important assets. Boom. All right, so where is it? Yep. Let's just click on that again. So when I hover over, it'll say we'll download all article images and any other important assets. So basically, when I'm sitting here downloading, if it's a trusted website that I've already like processed and I've tested enough articles that I feel confident that I could download all content for this entire domain, including all images, over the span of a few months. I'm not in a rush to consume all the content of this website, and I don't want the webmasters, the people who own this website, to get upset because there's somebody methodically going throughout their entire website. But yeah, there it is. Let's see what our downloads look like. Discover Magazine. So I am going through their website methodically. I need more websites to consume. See, there's another Discover Magazine right there. And another Universe Today, that's what I was working on. Universe Today. There's another Discover Magazine. So yeah, I need way more websites to work on. There's another Universe Today. But see, the time between those two Universe Today web pages are basically the same as a typical user, like 10 seconds. You're looking at a page and then they click on a link and go to another page. So it's no big deal. I'm not really providing them with any strain at all. But I will be taking all their content for my private use. That's what makes all of this legal, right? It's all for my private use. Now, I'm sure it's questionable to argue that, I'm streaming my use. So is it private? Yes, actually, it's still private because it's stored on my hard drive, and I'm just showing you my software that I built. It's not like you have access to this software. You do have access to the software, but not the data. This is all my data that I've been collecting over the past few, years, months, to be honest. Actually, I remember, no. I did delete all of my articles in the database accidentally a few weeks ago, so I just had to start over and press the download button, reset all of my downloads. Oops. I still had all of the articles on my hard drive though, so collector would realize that and be like, oh, the file's already there, skip. Look at this, it's downloading thousands of words in only 20 downloads, 50 new links. Let's see here. See that? I want to see that right here. Yeah, you see that? Isn't that beautiful? Ooh. What? Oh, that's all there was. Just a little bit of stuff. There it is. This is kind of broken. Like if I need to detect if there's text in between the images and just push this image to a new row. I do this like layout type stuff in JavaScript on the client side. I just look at the images, check the image size in JavaScript, check to see if there's, a small enough bit of text underneath it. If there is, well, I just push it there. This is overdoing it, so I need to like fix that, and I need to push this down if there's text beside it, instead of like if it's another image, then I would push it up because it would just be an image beside an image, but no, there's text there, so I need to push this down. So yeah, there's work to be done on this, but it's clean. Look at this. It detects a large image, detects a small amount of text underneath it, puts that text in a container with the image, centers the container, and centers the text in the container. Isn't that clean? Anyway, let's look at another web page. What is that? Authored by? No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. So from here, you saw how I like scrolled up, and I'm like, no, we're not doing that. Oh, this is a different website, so it doesn't even matter. Like, I should probably go here. Yeah, because see, results from this domain, Universe Today. I want to look at other content. We'll be building self-replicating probes to explore the Milky Way sooner than you think. What? Self-replicating probes. So a probe that can 3D print another probe just by collecting materials on an off-world planet. Ooh, see that? More colon? Why is there a more colon? Let's find out. See, like, even though I've worked on this website and tidied up, various articles, well, there's still some articles that have unwanted content on it. So let's look for this more at the bottom of the page here. It's going to probably be near the bottom. No? It's got to be somewhere. There's got to be some green. Oh, there it is. So H2 more colon. All right. Right now, let's just check out the article. Scroll to the bottom, and it looks perfectly clean at the bottom. Look at that. Look at all that content. Oh, man. Come up with a new message to let the aliens know we're here. Okay. Oh, dude. Wow. Wow. Yeah. See, it's just a whole new way to navigate the internet. Like, I can search I can find all sorts of content all over the web, but right now I'm just exploring on universetoday.com. The Hydra constellation. Look at that. Okay. Why are there two of the same image? Oh, it's not two of the same image. It's two different images. Okay. Huh. Whatever. It's pretty clean. Let's see. Man, they've got all sorts of images and, you know, wow, look at that. That's so cool. Yeah. I love space, man. What does it mean to be star stuff? That is a nova event. It looks pretty fresh, to be honest. No way. Are you kidding me? Wow, look at that photo, dude. Oh my god. Dude. This website, Universe Today, really shines on Collector. Look at that. Every hidden chamber inside. That's gonna be amazing. Look at that math, dude. That's such crazy math. So they're able to detect using cosmic rays. They're able to view everything inside of the surface of the Earth. Dude, this is so clean. There's so much data to consume. This is too much. All right, let's look at this JavaScript file. It's part of the analyzer, right? So we have analyzer.js here. All right. And we have nothing. All right. So we're analyzing, we're appending. There it is. Boom. Length is less than 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 30. 369. This is like 300. What are you talking about? Text.join. Okay. Okay, so it's looking for article.getText. Okay, there's my getText function. Is it getting all the text or no? So there's my element. It looks at all child nodes. If the child node is a text node, then it pushes it. Oh, but if it's a different kind of element, then we're going to concatenate to the text nodes array, recursively executing this same function, starting at this child node here. So it's just going to find all the text, which is kind of shady. So let's just do console.log, and we'll do let's see, text length equals all text dot length, and then a comma, text equals quote plus alt text plus quote. All right, let's check out our task runner here. Let's turn on our watch task, see if that works. Oops, there we go. When I save, there it goes. It's copying the file. And let's just see what JavaScript is showing up here. Okay, so it's appending. So when it loads an image, there we go, 26. It only did that for one. So why is this like that? Let me see here. This is a small image. And what? $26? What? Oh, object text. Oh. Dot text. Dot length. Oh, that's it. Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on. Article.getText. It returns tech node. Oh, text nodes. Okay. Let's see what a text node is. Is there information on text node? No, not an X query. JavaScript, text node, get text. Oh, come on. Oh, it's already 10:30. Text content. What? Oh my god, that's already a thing. Okay, so. So, okay, you know what? We're just going to do this. Okay. We're going to return lm.text content. Or, hold on. No, we're not doing that. Not right now. Hold on. Because that's using a node. But maybe that will work. I don't know. Let's find out. No, we're gonna make this just a string. And then we're not gonna use an alt text, we're just gonna use text. Oh, I I get it. Yeah, okay, yeah, I see what's going on here. No, 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 no. This is what we're gonna do. Okay. This should work. Alt text is not defined. Whatever. Length 0. How do we get a node? And what are we sending to get text? Oh. Maybe that'll work. There we go. Alright, so now I'll check out. Yeah, see, it's not going to mistake this giant group of text as something that goes underneath that. Alright, so I fixed that. There is one test that I would like to do, and it has to do with the Doom 2016 breakdown. Where is it? The graphics study here. This is my go-to for articles. Let's check it out. Here it comes. Boom, look at that. Look how this is rendered. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Yep, yep. Centered, every single one is centered. Oh, look at that. Nice, nice. Very clean, very, very clean. Clean, clean, clean. Alright, so this is my regression test for finding image descriptions. And it looks beautiful. Look, oh, look, even that is centered? That's really cool. It's centered right there. It's what's weird is it's not centered here, but it's like stuck. I think because this image is slightly taller than that image, so this is getting pushed up into there instead of on the next line there. Look at all of this clean, clean, clean content. So clean, so very clean. And I don't even have any analyzer rules for this web page. This is just raw without any analyzer rules. Everything looks so clean. And then see more reading. I could get rid of that, but yeah, let's check out the oh, there's no domain. Interesting. The domain does not exist. I wonder why. Let's check out why. Alright. Free content. This is a 3D animation. Actually, this is video games. Video games. There we go. And yeah, let's. Ooh, under downloads, I think I want a button here that says download articles from da da da. I could just do this. Go to my downloads, click on that, do oldest first, just refresh the page, do oldest first, and click download. So there are no URLs. And that's because it's not added to my feed. And it has to be added to my feed because I'm just manually adding this website to my feed. It isn't part of any URLs that were found in any of my feeds, so I have to add it as a feed. So if I come here and I add a feed to a new category called video games, right? I create that category, copy and paste. I think it's an HTTPS. Title is Adrian Corrigas, and this is an HTML type, and we'll do once a day. There. So now we have Adrian Corrigas, and now we have 30 feeds. So let's go back to our downloads. Go to Adrian and choose oldest first and start downloading. Let's see what we can find. Every 10 seconds we're going to be downloading from you, Adrian. Sorry, but this is just a test. Plus, I really like your content, so I'm just going to start checking out. Where is it? Here it is. Your articles, page not found. That's weird. Okay. Please download something. It's only had one download. Oh, there we go. GTA 5? What? It didn't download it. What's going on here? Hold on. What the hell is going on? Alright, GTA 5 Graphic Study Part 2. Okay. Let's just skip to the, skip. Alright, now let's see what the hell's going on with our download. So I'm doing, it was HTTP. Now we're changing it to HTTPS. Alright, let's see here. What's our response? Okay, that's Cloudflare. Cloudflare. It's a 200 okay. Let me see here. What's my response? Headers. What are my headers? Okay. Alright. Let's see what we get here. Sounds good. So, alright, it was a 200. Oh, what was it? Status 0. What's our response again? Hold on. Let's go back. Going back. We're going back. get our response again. Alright, what's our status? Status okay. Status code is okay. What's our status? It's 200. Wait, what? Okay, it's the exact same. Okay, it's not going to redirect. What's our status? 200? Okay. That's weird that it was status 0 for some reason. Whatever. Let's try that again. Alright. Let's see, where's our download? Let's go in. Okay, we have to change it to HTTPS. Alright, what's our response? Status code okay. Okay. It's not hitting any of that. What's our status? 200. What? Okay, our original. Oh. Wait. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a line here. So, let me see, what is this URL? I think. No, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean these URLs, which means they need like a slash. What is this article? Where's my clean URL? Is that under like the download hub? There's a valid. Where's the clean URL? Let's see here. Only keep queries. Remove last slash. All right, let's see here. You know what? No, we're not doing this. We're not gonna do that. What we're going to do is we're gonna do this. There we go. Clean URL. We'll use that right here. There. That should suffice. Let's try again. It's almost 11 p.m. All right. All right, change this to HTTPS. And what's our response say? 200. Let's check the clean URL. All right, it skips it. What's our original? There's a slash. What does our URL have? It doesn't have a slash, but it recognizes both are exactly the same. That's where our problem code was. All right, so now, cool. I will just delete all of my breakpoints. And we'll just refresh this and just let it run. Oh, come on. What? Like, did it literally return nothing? Okay, let's see what happens. That looks good. Wait, what? Oh, it's an HTTPS. Okay, so we're updating it. Ooh, error. What's this error? Let me see here. Interesting. Let's just stop this for now. And where is it? No, it's there. Where is it? There it is. Move. Let's see if there's any issue with our schema. Downloads, stop move. What? What is that? Download queue move. It's a big int. Okay. Oh, that's probably supposed to be a big int. Oops. That's a big int. That should be a big int. Like, that's a big int, just like it should be. That's fine. That's a big int, just like it should be. And alright, I think we're okay. Let's try that again. Huh. 2 downloads. 96 words. Let's look. Page not found and page not found. Huh. Why do you got so many broken pages, bro? And why is it even allowing these pages to exist? I thought... You thought wrong. Oh. Oh, it was on that next line. Okay. Where is it? Download queue add. And what is the error again? Unable to cast object of type int64 to type int32. Alright, well then let's just go up here. Check that out. Oh. Int 64. Oops. That's a fairly new store procedure that I added. I didn't realize it returns the download queue ID, which is an int, 64-bit int. Alright, let's go to our downloads again. Do some more downloading from his website. There we go, 3D software renderer. Hopefully this does a thing. There we go. Yes, look at that. 118 words. Alright. Where are we going? Ooh, that's pretty. Well, where are we going? Why is their page not found? Okay. "3D software renderer." Oh. It's a download. Beam Waves LWP. It's a live wallpaper. Huh. Exp 3D. Oh, it's a game that he made? Okay, that's cool. Look at this, we got more content. IRKit Web Remote. It's another piece of software that he made. Kana Trainer. Oh, he made this too in 2007 for a Texas Instruments computer. What? Did he make this? Okay. So clearly, like, we have... Let's do it by title, no, by URL, A to Z, right? So blog will come first, and then projects. And see how it goes. 3D software, then Beam, Exp, IRKit, Kana. See, it's like an alphabetical. PSP lyrics, PlayStation Portable lyrics. It is. It displays lyrics. Oh, it's just an app. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is just one dude's website, but I'm allowed to download from it. I mean, I can find some pretty interesting content. Why does it say total results 2? That's a lie. Is there something wrong with my query? Let's find out. Alright, let's articles, get list, and get count. Alright, let's see if there's anything different. There's no order by. So how about my where clause? Where should be perfect, right? All the way across. And it looks like what's missing. Strange. This code looks exactly the same. Every line. What about my search? Looks the same to me. So why is this returning 2? That's just weird. Well, let's at least execute the count. Maybe I updated it without executing it. There we go. Wait, no. Let's do URL A to Z. Yeah, 19. Okay, I just had to update the stored procedure in the database. Whatever. So he has all these projects. Oh, here we go. GTA 5, baby. Graphics study. What do we have? Oh my. Oh my. I know what I need to do. This is for the analyzer. Yeah. So if it's a small, right? And let's see. Small equals true, and let's do just 64. No, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 40. Okay. Yeah, 64. Wait, 20, 40. It should just be like 40. Or small equals false, and that equals blah blah blah. There we go. No, we need one more. And let's see, yep, copied over the analyzer. Alright, now that won't be detected as, yeah, see that? What? View from inside cube. Okay. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. That sucks. I need to be able to detect images in a row and put them on their own row. That's another feature I'm gonna have to add. This is cool. Look at that. Look, it has a cross with an arrow and shows what it looks like when the seams are knit together in a ball, or what do they call it? Look at that. That's so awesome. Ooh, that's bad. That's really bad. And that's bad too. What is this? Generation 50%. G buffer generation 30%. These things need to be fixed. Like, this needs to be put in a row. I think if I fix that on this page, it'll look a lot better. Ooh, what the hell is all of that? Is this code? Oh my god. Diffuse alpha channel. Oh, it's using checkerboards. Okay. Shadow map. Dude, there's so much involved. Planar reflection map. Screen space ambient occlusion. G-buffer combination. Irradiance. That's so cool. They use a lot of math, and they made it look amazing. Subsurface scattering shading before and after. You can see his skin looks more fleshy in this version, like it's a pinker color, and it just looks more human. Water diffuse, interesting, and water opacity. Okay. Water refraction map. Look at that. That's so cool. Like, they only render the refraction area that they need to. Planar refraction. Bump maps. Boom. Water before and water after. Okay. Atmosphere, light shaft. Oh, fog. Fog and sky. Wow, that looks really nice. And then base, fog, sky, and clouds. That looks even better. Transparent objects before and after. Oh yeah, you can see like the shine on top of the window here. And the shine there and there on the... Oh, and yeah, you can see the shading on his sunglasses now. Smoothing before and after. Wow. Dang, dude. Tone mapping and blooming. Ooh, that's really bad. We need to just get rid of all of that. Or we need to be able to figure out what it is and convert it into like equation styling. Oh, that's so cool. Anti-aliasing and lens distortion before and after. I don't really see any lens distortion. Minimap before and after. Oh, we don't have a minimap, and now we have a minimap. Oh, and that's it. Wow, look at all that content. Cool technology, bro. I'm gonna call it a night. I think we did pretty well. Yeah, I did pretty well cleaning up a lot of problems with the platform. Anyway, I'm gonna continue my efforts preparing collector for to be used on Docker containers. Right, I have this hardware. I'll show you here in a second. I've got two of these. It is an HP Elite Desk 800 Generation 3. So this has an i7, I'm pretty sure it's a 7th gen, like a 7500T in here, with 16 gigs of RAM. It's either 8 or 16 gigs of RAM. There's an M.2 in here and a hard drive. And this thing has Windows 10 Pro on it, and I have two of them. I'm gonna set these up. They're only 65 watts too. Pretty low power mobile devices, and I'm just gonna have them running multiple instances of Charlotte services in Docker, and I'm gonna wire up these two bad boys into the Charlotte's web router website software, and then I'm gonna have collector sending requests to the router instead of to Charlotte directly. And the beautiful part is with collector, you just give it a URL for the API, or for the it's like an API. It's an endpoint basically, and so I could switch out between a specific Charlotte instance or the Charlotte router, the Charlotte's web router. And the last piece of the puzzle is, where am I going to save all of the content that I download? And I'm thinking, hopefully I'll be able to have folder pointers that I can set up using PowerShell. I can use a command to set up a network drive or a folder on a network drive as like a folder pointer in my web application. So I'm going to do that and have one centralized place with, I'm going to try to do over 100 terabytes of data on that. It's going to be like a little 5 slot network attached storage device with like 5 16 terabyte 3.5 inch hard drives, like 5 of them. So hopefully that's not going to get me 100 terabytes, but that'll get me like, I don't know, like 40, because some of them will be mirrored. I think it'll be on like a RAID 1 or RAID 10. RAID 1, probably. Let's see here. I'm going to stripe my drives. Anyway, let's see here. All this is done. I'm just going to close out. So have a good night, guys, and thanks for watching. Come back, subscribe. There's a lot of work to be done. We're going to be building some awesome technology, okay? So keep coming back. All 0 of you.